Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue through the unpredictable and inexplicable Virginia traffic on I-95, beginning at mile 103 in Caroline County. Once again, we've adjusted the video speed beyond the normal 2x to make the traffic a little more bearable. After crossing the North Anna River, we enter the unincorporated community of Doswell. Originally known as Hanover Junction, Doswell is a historic railroad community where the Virginia Central Railroad once intersected with the North-South Richmond, Fredericksburg, and Potomac Railroad. Today, both lines are operated by CSX Transportation, with the former Virginia Central line leased to the short line Buckingham Branch Railroad. The area near the Doswell train station remains a popular destination for rail fans, offering prime views of passing trains. We've also crossed into Hanover County, which had an estimated population of 111,603 as of 2021. As we approach exit 98, you'll see a big brown sign for King's Dominion, the popular amusement park here in Doswell. Following the merger of Cedar Fair and Six Flags on July 1, 2024, King's Dominion is now operated by the newly formed Six Flags Entertainment Corporation. The park offers over 60 rides, shows, and attractions, including 13 roller coasters and a 20-acre water park. Its name combines that of its sister park, Kings Island near Cincinnati, with Virginia's nickname, Old Dominion. Upon entering, visitors are greeted by International Street, a European-themed boulevard featuring a 320-foot-long fountain pool leading up to a 1/3 scale replica of the Eiffel Tower. An elevator ride takes guests 315 feet up to an observation deck, offering panoramic views of the park. The surrounding buildings showcase architectural styles from France, Germany, Switzerland, Spain, and Italy, housing a variety of gift shops, cafes, and eateries. We enter the town of Ashland with a population of 7,565 as of the 2020 census. On October 19, 2002, Ashland was thrust into the national spotlight as the site of one of the D.C. area sniper attacks. That evening, 37-year-old Jeffrey Hopper was wounded in the parking lot of a Ponderosa steakhouse as he and his wife were leaving. His wife alerted a passerby who happened to be carrying a mobile phone, which was still somewhat uncommon in that era, and Hopper was taken to the hospital by ambulance, surviving his injury. Investigators later discovered a note nearby, which proved instrumental in identifying those responsible. For nearly 35 years, Ashland has celebrated its signature event, the Strawberry Fair, held each June. This festival brings together vendors from across the state, offering a variety of goods, many with a strawberry theme. The event also features live performances by local artists and a Strawberry Fair pageant, where contestants compete for the titles of Little Miss and Mr. Strawberry. Each year, 10 students from Hanover County schools are rewarded Strawberry Fair scholarships, making this festival a cherished tradition in the community. As we approach Richmond, we start to see signs for I-295, which bypasses Richmond to the east and provides access to Richmond International Airport. The control city of Rocky Mount suggests that through traffic should take I-295 rather than driving I-95 through Richmond, since Rocky Mount is still 138 miles away. Coming up, you'll see a sign on the left with a greatly simplified diagram of I-295, which we've recreated for you on your screen. It has two I-95 shields for some reason, shows Rocky Mount, North Carolina at the top as the next control city, and Richmond in the middle, indicated by a red star. We'll conclude this video here at mile 87. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special thanks to our channel members listed at the end of each video. You can also help support our channel for as little as $1 a month and get early access to our regular videos. Or it doesn't cost you anything at all to give us a thumbs up, share on social media, subscribe, leave a comment below, and join us for our next 504 road trip.